Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan Retro 1 High White Cement. This shoe was released on May 6, 2023 at a retail price of $180. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Cement showcases the signature design feature of the Air Jordan 3, composed of irregular lines etched throughout the high top's gray leather overlays. They're contrasted by a white leather base and a black leather construction on a high-cut collar and swoosh. Additional branding elements take the form of a Nike Air tongue tag and Wings logo stamped on the lateral collar flap. Encapsulated air sole cushioning enhances the aged off-white midsole. Even though this is a great-looking pair of Jordan Retro 1s, it's fallen a victim to the same fate as other colors that we've looked at recently. Resale value is below retail in basically all sizes, certain sizes still sitting in stock on various websites. This isn't a shoe I planned on grabbing, but one of my friends did want a pair, so I grabbed him this size 8.5 and he's very happy with them. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.